Yes, so
13 years going to my sister.
so you were how many years old when it happened?
She's gradually going to 14.
So maybe some of you may not believe it. As you can see her, she breastfeeding her baby. The story is very, very sad. She was raped by her stepfather, and because of the condition, the mother decided to send her to her grandmother in Foya. As I'm speaking to you, the grandmother or auntie she is here. I will also be asking her in Kishi to tell us a bit about what happened with this child, because the child, according to the story, the child, she's a very smart child when she was in school, but because of what happened now, nobody is there to help her. And now, let me quickly pass the camera